Hi and welcome. Things are very dry. We are experiencing a bit of drought, but today we have our lobster claw, a species of the Heliconia plant, to our rescue. Please consult with your local, provincial, or state veterinarian association before giving your livestock or pets any Heliconia Caribaea leaves as a form of silage or forage for your livestock or pets. This variety is scientifically known as the Heliconia Caribaea, but they are commonly called lobster claws, or collectively with other Heliconias, they are just grouply called false bird of paradise. These evergreen plants are mainly ornamental plants that are native to the tropical Americas and the Caribbean. This variety of heliconia can grow to over 10 feet tall. These ones are in a partially shaded area, shielding them from the heavy drought and the scorching tropical sun. These flowers would make beautiful floral arrangements. Thank you for watching.